guys, I've always wanted to do this. This.
La 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 la. Ooh, ooh, na 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 na.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys the secret to keeping your water waves wet for minimum 7 hours. Yeah, I filmed this video ages ago, like last year September, but I just didn't like the video. There was just too much going on basically. But yeah, like I remember I used this method and I tested it out for a week. Now I'm gonna get straight into it. If you guys want the detail for this hair, this wig that I bought, we'll drop it down below or just ask me, I'll send it to you. Yeah, this is really simple. It's not gonna be a long thing. Let me just show you guys what you're gonna need. First of all, water waves, your hair needs to be wet. So you're gonna need water. You can use any spray bottle. I've just got this. Okay, you're gonna need any spray bottle. I put a teensy weensy bit of conditioner, mousse of any form. Mine is by Cream of Nature, the Style and Shine foaming mousse. Any mousse is fine, whether that's Tresemme, anything really. Then this lovely baby over here was recommended to me by my lovely friend Toby. She started a YouTube channel as well, you know, so I'm gonna link it down in the I'm gonna link her description box. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel in the description box below. Subscribe to her because she's starting up. She's amazing. Yeah, but this is Cantu Shea Butter's Define and Shine Custard. It is like the secret ingredient. Now this right here, this is the secret. Now Cantu really do have a lot of good curl products. They have a curl cream which is also good for this, but I've never tested it out for like holding. Notice if you use this, your curls are guaranteed to stay. You're gonna need some sort of detangling brush with like plastic thingies. So yeah. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Your first step, you should want to get your hair covered and wet and spray everything from top to bottom. Once your hair is wet, we are going in with our detangling brush. If you want to get the best results, you need to take your time with this, go weft by weft, but anybody got time for that right now. So I'm just gonna go start from the bottom and make sure I pull through. You see how that's like, you know? Yeah. So from the top to the bottom. And as you can see, I missed a step at the back. This is why it's sometimes good to do it on your wig head. So already it's starting to give me that wet, you know, that curly look. Step number 3, we're going in with our mousse. So we're going to get a little bit at a time. You guys a closer look. And we're gonna go bam. So once you've got all of that, I then go in with water again. Another tip, when you use mousse, it can make your hair look dry. When the mousse dries, it can make it like, yeah, look dry. So you can use oil sheen to spray after you've done the water and the brushing through step that I'm about to do, just to make sure that when it dries, it doesn't look dull. And so far. Now we are going to go into my favorite part. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. So we're going to take a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with water one more time. Yes, I know it's excessive. And then the final step, brush through. All the waves. Now, yeah. So I'm gonna go out, go to cinema, and I'm gonna go eat. We're gonna see, yeah, if when I come back it looks the same. It will stay looking wet and wavy without having to keep wetting it throughout the day. That's facts. And that's facts. Guys, so I'm back. As you can see, let me give you guys a closer look. So yeah, the curl pattern is still there. Properly, I was kind of rushing, but as you can see here, like all of these places, they look thoroughly wet pretty much. I would have gone all the way to the ends. This would have looked a little bit more like this rather than this. I feel like the front of my hair is amazing, but it's the back that I just didn't do well, and like underneath. Hey guys, this is just like a little additional help or tips to making sure that you maintain your curls. And yeah, basically this is me after a night's out. I haven't put any products in my hair this morning, any water in my hair. This is, yeah, after a night out and sleeping. This is what my hair looks like following the method that I gave. The few tips that I did want to give though was that make sure that when you are doing it, you wet your hair from the top all the way to the bottom. If you don't wet the ends, they're gonna dry out like in the clips earlier, and yeah, your hair will be kind of wet but then dry. It's just not gonna look good. The second tip is with your spray bottle, one like this, like the ones that actual hairdressers use, it will spray wider and it will get your hair wet so much quicker. I haven't put any mousse, I haven't put any of the custard. This was after a night out. I slept, I didn't even have a hairnet on. So yeah, it does work. But yeah, I hope this works for you. Let me know if you try it. If you do try it, tag me, Honest Destiny, hashtag, I don't know. But yeah, I want to see it. I would like to see it. Anyway, hope you have a lovely day. It was just a quick video to give y'all the secret to water waves, you know? Anyway, I hope you liked it. You know what, this was something fun, and I thought, you know what, let me just share the secret with you guys, because water wave hair is amazing, and I think you guys should, yeah, rock it. It looks peng.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with one of your mates. If you know someone that has curly hair, let them know that there's a way to keep them curls popping all day long. Subscribe, hit that bell button so you can see when my next video comes up. Comment, chat to me, DM me, yeah, but in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video.